Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. We are proud to finalize the Grand Mills renovation project in UAE market.
OFCO International is starting construction of Brazil's first biodiesel pipeline.
Caption news on high-quality conferences expected in all sectors in the space 2021.
Agriculture prices to ease but hunger and climate goals are far off, FAO, OECD.
Golden rice has been approved for commercial cultivation in the Philippines.
Bangladesh has developed a new variety of blast-resistant wheat.
Drought in Brazil has a huge impact on agricultural products.
Prohibit rice cultivation in most provinces of Iran or face consequences.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Mill Tech is Tan Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.